Libra, hi, welcome to your reading for the month of March. Yes, I did mention that I'll be doing weekly readings, but I just somewhere felt like I should be doing March readings first before getting into the weekly readings for the month of March. Alright, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, this is for you. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message is meant for everyone watching. Alright. Alright, Libra. The first card out, you have Milk and Honey. Second card is Go the Distance. And third card is Imagine. I hope this is visible for you all. Yep. Some sort of situation in your life, it could be a relationship, work, anything. The situation that brought in a lot of happiness, it was like a blessing, and you are being asked to move forward with it and allow the universe to take its course. Sorry about that. There is something in your life that I feel is brought in by the universe. A very divine, not connection. I do sense a divine, let's say, interference. Yep. All right, let's see. Five of Swords, Empress, Five of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Four of Pentacles, Justice, Three of Swords, Queen of Wands, and the King of Cups. All right. Overall energy for the reading, the Ace of Cups. Some new relationship, a new love that came into your life. Just by looking at this, I felt like some of you all may have opened up your heart center, opened up your heart to this person, or this person helped you open up. Yes, I do get that sense. If you all felt a little closed off, which I do sense in your recent past. Alright, in the recent past you have the Five of Swords, Empress, and the Five of Pentacles. While you were the Empress here, somewhere you were not seeing your full potential and you got stuck a little in your mind about I deserve to be alone kind of thought, or I am meant to be alone. You may have felt abandoned by someone and that's what put you in your head. But actually, I think whatever you may have felt, the abandonment issue, the being left out in the cold feeling, I think that's brought in by your own mind, because the Five of Swords is about getting stuck in your head because of your own negative mindset. The feeling that of being at loss. It is self-sabotaging. You are the Empress, but you don't see it. You may have not seen it in the past. In the current situation, you have the Two of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and Justice. You are as if kind of holding back from making a choice. there is some sort of balance that's needed. With the Justice card here, I think you are being asked to look at the positive and the negative aspects of you. Libra, this is your own card. I do sense some resistance on your part in moving forward, holding back. Your heart may be closed off, Libra. Your heart is as if closed off to this new love that wants to come in, or maybe it's already in, but you're not opening up to the person, to your person. The universe is actually asking you to go the distance. I am not sure if you are really recognizing that. If this is about your job and something you've got and not sure of, I think you can actually move forward with it and trust the universe. Trust that whatever is happening is for your highest good. In the immediate future, you have the Three of Swords, the Queen of Wands, and the King of Cups. We have the Queen of Wands and the King of Cups here. So while you may be full of this passion, action oriented, this Queen of Wands somehow in this deck reminds me of somebody who's giving birth to new ideas, a new self, a new passionate job, or a new passionate venture. Some sort of newness to this card is always present. New energy here. And this time I feel it's a new you that you are giving birth to. You are as if seeing some sides of yourself, and you're releasing things that don't belong to you anymore. Somewhere I do sense this person, the King of Cups, maybe a water sign that you are dealing with. Taurus, strong Libra, I do sense here. Taurus or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I do get a sense that your person, whoever this is to you, this person is helping you to release past baggages, past wounds. And I think you are doing it. And that will help you open up to this love. Open up to... Is it? Oh. I was just going to question, is there a third party energy here? And there is a Three of Swords, which means past hurt, past person that you are still clinging on to. Three people, three swords. So maybe you are stuck between your past and this person. That's why if you are thinking that things are not moving forward with this person, then most likely it's because you are yet to release your past person or the pain that you are carrying from the past. You are in the middle of both of this. And I don't sense this to be another energy. I do sense this is you. So time to just release and let go of this and move forward, Libra. I think that's the balance that's needed for you. Balance to let go of the feeling that, no, I don't deserve love, or love will not last forever. Love yourself first, so the people can love you to the fullest, to their fullest. But once you know that you deserve this love is only when you'll receive it. If we think that we don't deserve it, we'll never receive it, even though it may be present in our lives. Open up to the new love that's there. I think you may already know this person whom you are holding back from. There's a lot of love that they have to offer. It's the King of Cups. It's the energy of love that they are bringing into your life, which is actually helping you heal. There's a choice that you have to make, but you are holding back. I hope you understand this person is divinely brought into your life for a reason. I do sense some long term relationship here, even though there may not be a representation of a long term, but there could be. For some of you, it could last a long term relationship. Let's say it could last forever. Nothing lasts forever. Not even our own selves. We also are not on this planet forever. But definitely a long term relationship that the universe is guiding you to move forward with. Libra, the message here for you is very clear. I hope this resonated for whoever needed this message. And please take what resonated and leave what did not resonate. Alright? Libra, I'll come back with your reading for the first week of March, which will be posted this weekend. Alright? Until then, see you soon, Libra. Bye bye.